What's going on, guys? Tim here bringing y'all back another freaking video. It's probably been so long since you've seen this sight, man. Seen this freaking sight. As you can see, the car is back at home. It is finally back at home. But today we're gonna be focusing on I got a GT500 grill right here. In this first portion of the video, we are going to be focusing on these freaking ugly halo glint fog lights. As you can see, the fog lights are beaming off a yellow type look, which is ugly. And then you got the headlights, which are LEDs. Can't really see it right now, simply because it's like, I don't know, the sun is outside and this freaking shine is looking good outside right now. But if we gonna get this thing up in a garage or during the nighttime, then I'm gonna show y'all definitely the difference that this thing is pretty ugly. We about to get the bulb switched out. I'm about to show y'all how to put this thing together. We're gonna see. All right. Boom. So we got the fog lights right here. And these are from Amazon. I will drop the link down below like I told y'all. I haven't opened this box yet, so we're gonna see. Since we got the OEM GT500 front bumper, we're gonna have to, we don't have to take the whole bumper off. I'm gonna show you guys how to do this thing just to change the fog lights out in a bit. I might just take the bumper off simply because it's really easy for me to take this bumper off. I can take the bumper off in about 5 minutes. All right, so if you don't want to take your bumper off, you're gonna need a 7mm, which is what I got right here. You're gonna come over to your little fender right here, the side of the fender, and then you're gonna probably have 2 bolts right here that are 7mm. I got one right here, and then my fender is a little ripped up. So if I really wanted to, I can just get my ass down here under my car, and then as you can see, right here is where the fog light is, and I can just switch out the bulb and the harness right there. I have like no skid plates under here at all. I completely removed, I think it's about 1 or 2 of them. I removed them, but for the purpose of this video, it might not help y'all because some people really don't know. You probably never did it before. I've been under here about 7-10 times, so it's really easy, but I'm just gonna take this thing off and take the bumper out really quick. Boom. Now that is freaking off. It's coming off. Simply as so. It's really simple, y'all. Like, if you don't think you could take it from bumper off, yes you can, because I thought I couldn't take my damn front bumper off. It took literally 5 to 10 minutes to take that thing off. It is so easy. As we dig into the harness, for these fog lights, if you have a 2014, you know, if your car's not GT500, then the fog lights are not gonna hook up and work. You have to get a fog light harness. And I got my GT500 fog light harness from starkeyproducts.com, and this was like the code 3514, something like that. These freaking things are plug and play. No splicing of the wires, no nothing. Simply plug into your old harness and then plug the fog lights in, and these things work, man. So I'm not gonna pay for this. Check out Starkey Products. Just like to help y'all out. So if y'all end up using Starkey Products freaking stuff, man, leave a like on the video, or even if you think about doing this in the future, just leave a like on the video. That's all I ask. But if we eliminate this right here, this is going to be your original harness, and then the Starkey Products harness clips right into it. Boom, right here, which is what I got right here. Don't worry about this. This is my side marker harness. I haven't got my side markers in yet. Skip that. Right here, regular freaking Mustang harness, and then right here, Starkey Products harness, right into the fog lights, which is right there. Now, as far as removing the fog lights, I mean, pretty simple. You already know fog lights, they already have these little freaking clips that you either pinch in and you pull out, which is what, oh wait, my bad. Man, I done pulled it out already. It was so simple. But these clip up here, there's one up top and there's one on the 180-degree side. You just freaking pinch them and you pull it right out. Then boom, halo glint ugly fog light bulb that came out of there, and then there's your fog light housing. And we're gonna switch these things out. This is the Starkey Products harness, and this is my fog light bulb. And to take it out, just push it in, pull it apart. Okay, it took some force, but so easy. Out with the old. Now we're gonna open this. There we go. Open it like a bag of chips. As you can see, the connector for the new LED is the same as right here as the freaking stock fog light. These are the stock fog light bulbs as well, guys. I got these from Ford. These things were about like 50 bucks, and these fog lights right here from Amazon were about $15 LED. You take your freaking new harness, just plug that thing right up on in there. All right, so I just put it back up into the fog light house. Now let's make sure these things are working. If they don't work, I'm gonna be hella pissed. I freaking ordered these things a month ago, and my car's just been down. It hasn't even been down. I've been waiting for a freaking shop. So, boom! Oh snap! Holy snap! Look at them things, boy. Them things glistening. Yes, sir. That LED is on fire. Now I did not change out the other side, so we go from here to here. Oh yeah, definitely for sure. The LEDs, you gotta match that white on white. It's definitely looking way better. All right, so let me get this other side put together, and then we're gonna go and do a little cinematic. I don't know, different portions of the video. Alright guys, as you can see here, these fog lights are amazing, man. They are very bright. They are really freaking bright. They are from Amazon. If you want these things, the link will be down in the description. Just click the link down below. You get these things. They are $15. The stock LED, the stock halo Glen fog lights for the GT500 bumper were 50 bucks from Ford. And for Amazon, you get these things for $15. Now, if it's been 6 months and you're watching this video, if it's been a year, ask me if these bulbs are still working. I will let you know, man. Ask me any questions down below, just drop them down below. Anything that I forget, I'll put it all into the description, man. However though, these things are amazing. It makes my GT500 front end look on point. It looks like very modern, man. The car looks very modern and just very up to date, and it's just fantastic. Next up for the installation, we got side markers to put on. I put on my GT500 front lip, so stay tuned for that. If you guys have a GT500 front end, everything I'm installing back to back to back to back to back. We got a GT500 front wing, or not front wing, back wing to be installed the next day. Freaking installs day after day after day. I'm going with a clean chrome setup for this car, man. So if you are new to the channel, make sure you subscribe. Don't miss any more videos.